Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Mathemagic by Varuna. Now in this particular video, we will understand the absolute value of an integer. We know there are three types of integers: negative integers, then we have 0 as an integer, and then we have positive integers. So the absolute value of an integer is basically the numerical value of the integer regardless of its sign. Now, important thing to understand over here is first the symbol of the absolute value. The symbol of the absolute value is basically two vertical lines and the number is written between them. Now, when we take negative integers, say minus, let us take an example of -5 and write down it between two vertical lines showing that we need to find the absolute value of -5. Here the answer will be the numerical value of number 5 without its sign. So we ignore the sign over here. Absolute value of -3 will be +3. We ignore the sign, negative sign. Now, absolute value of 0 will remain 0. And for all positive integers, absolute value will remain that only because there is no sign. They're all positive integers. So let us just recall it again, that absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integer regardless of its sign. So we ignore the sign over here. I hope the concept of absolute value is clear through this particular video. Stay tuned for more such videos on the topic of integers. Thank you.